Wagwan viewers and subscribers that don't know your boy Rush. And we're back again with our next episode. Today, we do rice and peas. So you want to stay tuned for that one. Yeah man, so to vibe and chill with it, as usual, Trudy is in the background. She's a little bit under the weather still. So you might hear her voice crack now and then. But she's here. Trudy, wagwan.
My voice will not crack. My voice will sound hoarse, but not crack. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of RUSHIE'S Kitchen.
Yes, I.
So you're making rice and peas today?
Yeah man, today is Sunday. So we just invite you guys in our kitchen to make a show. To show now how we do rice and peas. My style, Jamaican
Are you doing it with the coconut, not milk powder?
Original coconut. And that's why I have it in my hand as a demonstration. It's also here in my container. So we do this morning, juice it before video start and everything. We don't know, so we have it fresh and we blend it up. Blend up a coconut.
I was gonna ask if I grate it.
No.
No, grater in.
Blend it. I'm at the time now, so you know. We might have a time when the grate time when current gone, but we have electricity now, so why not use our blender? Understand?
Look here, the amount of chop off my finger get from grater back in the days. So.
Hush. That's a sacrifice you have to make with the modern technology now, don't?
Yeah.
Yeah man. So preparation of the coconut, as I said earlier. Well, you don't know it, blend the coconut. What I did was just to use some warm water to blend the coconut. And the reason for doing that, you just want to extract that oil, the warm water, extract the oil from the coconut, so you don't know you get everything.
So it increases the flavor of the coconut when you use warm water to blend?
And everything, and get out most of the milk that is in the coconut. So that is must do for me whenever I use coconut. Just use the hot water to just, get out the oil that is in the coconut. Because coconut have a lot of flavor and oil as well. So you don't know the hot water get out all of that, right?
Alright.
Yeah man. So in front of we, all of the ingredients and one thing as usual. And as usual, I'm gonna just go through everything and make you know the purpose of everything and just the reason why we have it. Alright, cool. So we have our red kidney beans, peas as we Jamaicans call it. And what I did was just to have this soak from overnight, with two pieces of garlic cloves inside. So we just have this soak from overnight to get it soft and thing, and
I saw a meme online that says that the best Sunday dinner starts from Saturday. So when you soak it from overnight, you get the best Sunday dinner out of it.
And the reason why is just to get it soft, because you have some red peas that is really tough, and even if you use a pressure cooker, it could take some time. So you don't know you get it soaked from overnight and thing. Wash your peas, get it soaked from overnight. So Sunday morning you have it, and the cooking time will be reduced.
So it's a regular kidney beans that you use, or?
Yeah man, regular kidney beans. Well, I mixed this one. You have two types that we mainly use in Jamaica. You have the round red, which is a small red one. That one is really nice. Make your rice and peas red and
pretty
when you finish, right? And me big fan color already, so I love to use that. So, and as well you have the bigger version, slightly bigger one, which is this one, which is available as well. So what I did was just to mix both of them, because I have both of them in my cupboard, so why not just mix them, right? Moving to other ingredients that we have here. You don't know, we have a rice, and this is brown rice. Well, parboiled rice, that is the only rice I really use.
For rice and peas.
Yeah man. Well, overall, that is the only rice I use. That's my preference. That's parboiled rice. Alright? So you don't know, little more peas boil and everything simmer down in the pot. That is what we're gonna add to the pot. Alright? We have a margarine right here. Gold seal. Yeah. This is would say a favorite of mine, so you don't know, we use that. In this bowl we have some sugar. And we're just gonna use a small amount of this. We're not sweetening the pot, we just want a little tip of flavor, right? So we're gonna add some sugar later on. We have sweet pepper. Yeah man, sweet pepper. I don't know if you ever smell a pot of rice and peas when sweet pepper in it.
Matter of fact, you're the only person that I know that puts sweet pepper in rice and peas.
Well, no, you know. So yeah man, pot with sweet pepper smell real nice. And right alongside that we have 2 Scotch bonnet peppers. Trust me. Scotch bonnet pepper in a pot as well. Trust me, as long as I'm not burst, you're nice man.
If you pepper bust you just throw a pot.
You know what? If you can't eat pepper enough, throw it well still, you know? We have a garlic over here, and we said earlier that we have garlic inside the peas already that was soaking from overnight. So you don't know it. You don't have to add no more garlic if you don't want. Alright? Thyme. And we have enough thyme over here because thyme in a rice and peas or thyme in a soup or thyme in a everything, you don't know a flavor that already. We have a scallion over here, so, and we have enough. We don't must use everything still, but we have it just in case. Salt. You want to flavor the pot, you know, unless you're an italist and you want to get that ital taste, so you know use a salt, but I'm not really an italist. Big on the nutrition, but use my salt as well.
Yeah, we love flavor over here.
Yeah man, no flavor. And last but not least, we have the allspice, and as I say, this as well have in all of my dishes. So get used to it. Pimento, aka allspice, or allspice, aka pimento, whichever you choose. So what we're gonna do is just cover the pot and allow it to boil. We're not cover the pot fully as it, because what I want to do is just to add some cold water when the water is actually boiling. You call that sink the peas, Jamaican style. So we don't know if anybody else do it in the world, but we know we Jamaicans, we are accustomed to that, sinking the peas when it starts boiling. So now the peas is boiling, we'll just add some cold water to that. Then you just go ahead, cover the pot. Alright guys, so welcome back to the good stuff. This is the best part of, or one of the best part of cooking rice and peas.
Or seasoning the pot.
Seasoning the pot. I love the part. Yeah. Different from putting in the rice, seasoning the pot is the best part. See? So seasoning the pot, as you realize, we transition from the pressure cooker pot to the pot that I'm going to be using to cook the rice, right? And we have a small amount of peas and the water, and that is purposely done because I'm going to be adding the coconut milk. Yeah, okay. Man. So what I have is roughly 4 cups of coconut milk, and I'm going to be adding all of that. All right. So at this stage, what I normally do is just add all the seasoning that I mentioned earlier. The thyme, the scallion, all of that. Alright? So these are washed already. So all I have to do is just add them. So that is the scallion, the thyme. I'm adding the allspice as well as the sweet pepper. You know? And of course, I'll be adding the salt as well. And as you go along, you can season or add salt to taste. Right? I'll be adding a small amount of sugar as well. Roughly 1 spoon, or you can add some more. Because you don't want the rice and peas to sweet and then take away from the natural flavor of the rice and everything. You understand, Judy?
Yeah, man.
Alright, our voice I go people, so see with her, see? She just a whole out right now, see me?
Really
Alright.
under the weather.
Add the 2 peppers. I love cook with at least 2 peppers. That is my preference. Sometimes I throw all 3 in the pot too. Alright? We'll go with some margarine. And because we add the coconut milk already, we not use too much butter, just a small amount. Alright? So we add all our ingredients now. And as I say, you can season to taste. You have persons who add stuff like powdered seasoning and things like that. I don't add those to my pot. I just keep it natural,
and I know people
simple.
that add jerk seasoning,
Jerk seasoning and stuff. Not saying you can't do it, but that's not my way of cooking rice. I like taste and natural taste of everything. See? So at this stage, what we are gonna do is just leave the coconut milk to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Get everything simmer down and boil nice and alright. And then we'll come back, add the rice, and show you how it go after that. Alrighty. So now that the coconut milk boiled for at least 15 minutes and thing, now it's time to add the rice, right? And if you look inside the pot, you can see the color change. You can see the pepper, scallion, all of such swimming around.
And the smell, guys. You know me already.
Lord.
Yeah, my nose ready long time.
Yeah, man. So now we're adding the rice. I don't know if I scrape it out with my hand. All the better, get everything out. You want to give that gentle stir.
You don't take out the pepper when you add the rice?
No.
You're not afraid the pepper just bust in the rice?
No, man. That's why I'm using green pepper. If I use a riper pepper, one that is yellow, then more than a worry say it a go burst and everything. And of course, me handle it with care as well.
So you're saying that the green Scotch bonnet pepper, if it busts in the pot, it won't be as detrimental?
A green pepper is harder to burst than a ripe pepper. That's why I'm gonna use ripe pepper in pot like soup and rice and stuff like that, because it's softer.
That's why.
So it's easier
to
burst. Right? And we're gonna just cover this and allow it to
make it simmer
down. You get me? Simmer down to gravy. As we say in Jamaica. So you just want to reduce the heat just a little bit.
Extremely low heat, guys. You don't want to burn that rice.
Yeah. And as the water get less in the pot, then you reduce the heat even more, because you don't want a burn rice. You know why? The neighbors them smell nothing over here.
Rice a bone.
Oh, what that? By the time you know it, you have to use it for tar. Black. So yeah, man, we just allow that to simmer down and, you know, get all the good stuff together. This is it, guys. We reach a stage now where all the water has evaporated and put on the pot. I'll just go ahead now and remove my pepper. I remove it because I'm serving purpose already. So just take them out of the pot and just give this like a gentle stir. At this stage, once I used to use like plastic to steam the rice, but do that no more. So some persons will use, you know, a plastic bag or something, put place over it, or foil, but I use those things no more. Right? So you can see how shelly this is. See it? Nice and pretty, and peas and everything balanced. We have the thyme sticking out right here. We have a scallion. We now move them just in. We just allow the pot to just steam down with them. We're not adding any more water or anything. So we're pretty much finished here. I'm just gonna leave this for about 10 more minutes. Just cover it and allow the water or the vapor from the cover to just, you know, steam out and get it all nice and good. You understand? So yeah man, that's pretty much it. And as we can see again, but nice and everything, and rice named Shirley. Not the girl this time, but the rice. Now there you have it folks, nice shelly rice, and from your see the colour you know say it nice, you don't have to ask no question. And of course, if you feel like reach out to me and ask me any questions about cooking rice or any other meal, feel free, the comment section is there, you can email me.
Can I ask a question now?
Yeah man, you can ask one.
How you learn how to cook rice and peas?
Mother, for sure, as she used to cook around me.
Your mother teach you how to cook?
Partly. My grandmother as well. And big up my father. Because the man is a big chef. Every man in the family can cook. So you don't know. Big up Jappy, you know, say a big chef. And big up Mama G. You don't know. And you teach you to cook from early on. And thing. You don't know. My mother used to do me a thing, you know. Next episode, but tell me about my mother. No man. Next episode. But we're gonna give you what I'm gonna give you now. I'm gonna give you the story with my grandmother now. My grandmother had blessed with rice now. My grandmother, when she was alive, God rest her soul, you know. She used to cook like, she could have cooked like 1 pound of rice and it end up like a 3 pound. That is what
for 20 people.
That is I guess she have Jesus hand. Feed the multitude. But my grandmother said that aunt couldn't swell the rice, that's what Jamaicans say. You know what Jamaicans say, yo, your aunt can't swell the rice.
You say everybody belly full when she done.
Yo, and pot cover, lick off a pot and all them something, the rice swell up. I don't know how she used to do it, I don't know if it's a skill, I don't know if it's something she born with.
I cannot swell rice. No matter how hard I try, it just not rise to the occasion.
I can't just look at it rice. I feel like about 5 pounds.
She mega spoily.
Yeah man, from us at RUSHIE'S Kitchen, it's nice bowl, and this is how my rice and peas normally turn out. They saw the color nice and it take it, the color, the peas and everything, and I love my rice and peas full of peas. The peas not for hide from the rice, the peas each up one side and it no, the mix and combine together and eat whole heap of peas. You get me? So you don't know, big up on yourself now people, and you don't know your chefs already, you know. Like, share, comment, subscribe if you're not subscribed as yet. The door no close for you understand now. Who comment, who subscribe already, just keep on watch, like up the video them same way man. You don't know, RUSHIE'S Kitchen, and through the day you should not feel too well, but today you same way I hold down your foot same way, you see me? Big up yourself. And you have anything to say before we go? As we close out now?
I just want to say thank you. A huge thanks to all our new subscribers. We saw that the views went up and the subscriber count went up.
Yeah,
just want to say thanks to everyone who actually watched the video, like and shares. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Every single time. So from us here at RUSHIE'S Kitchen, you don't know, little one in her hand, Mary big of herself. 6 months, but she a cook with me same way. You don't know, our next chef that. You don't know. Rushie's Kitchen there with Rushie and Trudy saying big up on yourself and we gone.
Bye guys.